In this video, I'm going to show you how you can clear other storage on your Android phone, and it's actually very easy. What you need to do, so you need to go into our phone settings. Now click on About Phone. Now we click on Storage right here, and we're gonna scroll down. Now, if we want to delete other storage, usually we want to delete files that we do not need anymore and that are basically left over. So we have two options right here. We have clear and deep clean. First, we can click clean, and now as you can see, it will scan for the files that we can easily clean up. Just click on that. As you can see, it's clearing up the files right now. Now we can also clean a bunch of apps, or we can also do a deep clean. So here we can choose what we want to clean, and then we can clean some of this. For example, we could clear app data, and this will also delete a bunch of things so that our storage space is free. And yeah, that's how we can delete other storage, by clearing simple data that we do not need. I hope this video was useful to you. If it was useful, please consider subscribing. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.